Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the ESR Hybrid Case with HaloLock system. It's compatible with the iPhone 13 Pro. It's an awesome case, as you can see. It looks really nice. It is a magnetic wireless charging Casey Macy, reinforced drop protection, scratch resistant back, and that's from the classic series. And it comes in a clear finish, so you can see what beautiful color your iPhone is made of. Wow. MagSafe-Compatible. That means Apple produced from the 2012 iPhone over the 13 iPhone here, produced their new smartphones by using the MagSafe technology. That means there is magnets on the backside of your device, and there you can dock wallets or reloading devices, power supplies, extra batteries as well, what you like. And here it comes with more than the standard MagSafe. It is compatible with that, of course, because here are 36 built-in magnets, provide auto alignment, and a secure lock with any HaloLock or MagSafe accessories for faster and easier charging. And of course, all other HaloLock and MagSafe devices or appliances can match with that case here. It's really cool because, for example, if you have the HaloLock magnetic wireless car charger, it will connect and stay there all day long. No problem for this case. And we have a total protection, rigorously tested to ensure the total drop protection on all sides. The air guard corners absorb shock so our phone doesn't have to. And we have a screen and camera protection. Raised screen edges and camera guard lens frame provide and add scratch protection where it counts the most. And it's really crystal clear, as you can see. Scratch-resistant acrylic back lets us show off our iPhone 13 Pro. Original look with stunning clarity that lasts. And it's only compatible with the iPhone 13 Pro. Precisely aligned cutouts for speakers and ports and easy press button covers keep our phone easy to use. Of course, it will match with the iPhone 13 too, but you will not have the 100% match because the dimensions of the camera system are different. So your camera guard cannot protect all areas of your phone if you're going to use that with the iPhone 13. That means this is compatible with the iPhone 13 Pro. It's in classic hybrid case with HaloLock. Compatible with the iPhone 13 Pro, we have a powerful drop protection. It stays safe from even the worst drops. I have a screen and camera protection. For example, the screen protection, raised edges for 1.2 millimeters. Oh yeah! If your iPhone will make a faceplant on a flat surface, it will protect it by this cover here. Awesome. If your iPhone will drop on the backside at the camera area, no problem, because here is a camera guard built in, 0.55 millimeter. And it comes with a power in a snap. Instantly locks to magnetic chargers. And there are strong magnets built in. That means you can play and charge at the same time. The easiest way is to get your iPhone in position, then press it in position, job's done. That it is. And then you can have fun with that. And of course, you can use all MagSafe equipment and, of course, all HaloLock magnets. No prop for this ESR Hybrid Case with HaloLock. Compatible with the iPhone 13 Pro. It is a magnetic wireless charging case. Reinforced drop protection and a scratch-resistant back. And it comes with the awesome Classic series, and it looks really cool and clear. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.